for the final exercise of Lab 6, I'm going to be demonstrating a conveyor simulation that is using a DC to control a conveyor belt. So I have my Mega and my DC right now. 2 push buttons connected to the digital and a potentiometer to determine to control the speed of the DC, and that is connected into pin 0 of the analog. I have my code set up for the program, and on my LCD I'm going to be displaying conveyor and speed, and I will be displaying their values. For this exercise, I'm going to be using the while statement. And what the while statement does is it simply states that the true conditions will continue to run in the loop. That is that the push button has been pressed, and the motor will continue to run until the push button or the statement becomes false. So that's it for the while statement. It's going to continue running in the loop until the statement following it becomes false. And so underneath it I have the value reading initializing analog read for the potentiometer, and I'm going to be mapping these values, the values of the potentiometer, which is controlling the speed of the motor. And I'm going to be printing out, displaying either running, that is if it's running, the motor is running, and the speed at which it is running. So when I press button 2, the while loop breaks because this statement is different, or because the statement in the first statement becomes false, so the motor is gonna stop running. So I'm gonna go ahead and upload it again. And this is my LCD. So pressing push button 1, and I'm gonna go ahead and increase the potentiometer for speed. If I press push button 2, the motor stops.